The pie chart below, this is the pie chart, which is not drawn to scale, shows the distribution of various types of land and water in a certain county. Calculate question I, the surface area of woodland. This is woodland. It has a sector angle of 88 degrees. Question 2I, we have to calculate the sector angle of urban. This is urban. It has an area of 30 kilometers squared. We need this angle. Question 3I, we have to calculate the total surface area of the county. We take down solution. From the pie chart, for farmland, you see it has a sector angle of 160 degrees, which corresponds to an area of 1,200 kilometers squared. We write this down. We have 160 degrees represents an area of 1,200 kilometers squared, of which we can write this mathematically as such. 160 degrees corresponds with 1,200 kilometers squared. Next, we have to find the amount of area which is represented by 1 degree. We are going to divide both sides by 160. 160 degrees divided by 160 will correspond with 1,200 kilometers squared divided by 160. 160 degrees divided by 160, it gives us 1 degree, corresponds with 1,200 divided by 160. Simplifying this, it simply gives us 15 all over 2 kilometers squared. That means 1 degree represents 15 over 2 kilometers squared. For question I, it is asking us to calculate the surface area of woodland. This is woodland. It has a sector angle of 88 degrees. We know that 1 degree corresponds with 15 over 2 kilometers squared. Multiplying both sides by 88, this will give us 88 times 1 degree corresponds with 88 times 15 on 2 kilometers squared. 88 can be expressed as 88 over 1. 88 times 1 degree gives us 88 degrees, corresponds with 2 will go here 1 time, 2 will go into 88, 44 times 15, this gives us 660 kilometers squared. Then we conclude, therefore, the surface area of woodland is 660 kilometers squared. We move now to question 2I. For question 2I, we have to calculate the sector angle of urban. This is urban. It has a surface area of 30 kilometers squared. We need the sector angle. 2i. We know that 1 degree represents an area of 15 on 2 kilometers squared. If we multiply both sides by 2, this will give us 2 degrees, representing an area of 15 kilometers squared, of which we can write this as 15 kilometers squared is represented by an angle of 2 degrees. Now looking at the pie chart, Auburn has an area of 30 kilometers squared. 30 kilometers squared will simply be represented by an angle of, we divide 30 by 15 over 2, and all this will be in degrees. This will simply be equal to 30 over 1 times, inverting the second fraction, 2 on 15. All this will be in degrees. This will be equal to 30 divided by 15 gives us 2 times 2, it gives us 4 degrees. Therefore, the sector angle of Auburn is 4 degrees. We move now to question 3i. Question 3i is asking us to calculate the total surface area of the county. We know that 1 degree represents an area of 15 on 2 kilometers squared. We know that 1 complete circle is equal to 360 degrees. So for us to get the total surface area of the county, we are simply going to multiply both sides of this equation by 360. This will give us 360 times 1 degree will represent an area of 360 over 1 times 15 over 2 kilometers squared. This is what we are going to obtain. At the left hand side, 360 times 1 degree gives us 360 degrees, representing an area of 2 will go here 1 time, 2 will go into 360, 180 times. 180 times 15 kilometers squared gives us 2,700 kilometers squared. Then we conclude, therefore, the total surface area of the county is 2,700 kilometers squared. We underline the answer. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.